This video, let us see the third part of mixture and alligation topic of the Aptitude series. At the very first, we have first question like resultant price of mixture of gold and rice is 480 per kg. Mixture of gold and rice is 480 per kg. This mixture is made up of two varieties of gold and rice which are having price of 420 per kg and the 520 per kg. So the gold and rice is made up of it two varieties, like one is costing with 420 and the other one is 520. What should be the ratio of the quantities of both types of the gold and rice? So we need to find what is the ratio of the mixing of these two varieties for to making this mixture. So in order to solve such type of questions, I will providing you the best trick, so apply it in the examination to save the time. So here at this row you need to write the price of the varieties, like every time we have the two varieties only, you need to mention your prices, and at here you need to mention average prices, average price or the mixture price. So the mixture price is 480. Now here you need to write the differences, like difference of this you need to write here, like 420 and the 480, the difference is 60, you need to write here. Again the difference of this, like 520 and the 480, you need to write here, which is nothing but 20 which is 40. So this is the ratio which is equals to the mixing ratio, which is the mixing ratio. So if we simplify this, we are going to get like 22 ja 23 ja, like 2:3, which is the ratio of the mixing of the two varieties to form this mixture. So which is our required answer, like ratio of the quantities of the both types of the gold and rice. This is the ratio, which is the option B. Now let us see the second question. The second question is like a mixture consists of some amount of sandalwood oil. So mixture is of it sandalwood oil and 240 liters of water. So the mixture is forming with sandalwood oil and the water. So here he not mentioned the quantity of the sandalwood oil, so the quantity is not mentioned, but he mentioned the quantity of the water, like 240 liters. It is priced at 275 per liter. So you can check here, the mixture is pricing with 275 per liter. Sandalwood is priced 325 per liter. So the quantities is not mentioned, but the price is given like 325 per liter. How much oil is there in the mixture? So we need to find the sandalwood oil quantity. So this is what we need to find. We have seen the same question previously. So he given the average price and he given the two varieties prices. So at the first row it is with prices, average. So the difference of this is nothing but the ratio of the mixture. So but here the averages came, but the two varieties, the one variety of the price per liter is given, but another one is not given. So for this type, if anything is not given like this, so you can assume directly as 0. So now make the difference, like 325 and the 275, the difference is 50. Again the difference of 0 and 275 is 275 only. So the difference is nothing but the ratio. So 25 11 which is 275, again 25 2 which is 2. So here you can see it is a ratio of the quantity, it is a ratio quantity, but actually it is 240. The ratio we got 2, but actually 240. So when we multiply 120 with this 2, with this ratio 2 with 120, we are going to get actual quantity. Now same thing apply here, like when we multiply 11 with this 120, like 120 11 which is nothing but 120 which is nothing but 1320 is the actual quantity of the sandalwood oil. So it is the final answer we need to find. So what he asked like we need to find how much oil is there in the mixture. It is nothing but 1320 liters, which is in the option A. A pot contains 40 liters of juice. So the pot containing of 40 liters of juice. So it is of juice. How much juice will be there in the pot if 4 liters of juice was removed and replaced by the water? So the pot, like the pot mixture is made up with juice and the water. Initially it is of like 40 liters of juice, so the pot mixture is also 40 liters, but initially the water is 0. Again at the next step, if 4 liters of the juice was removed and replaced it with the water, so 4 liters is removing here, so it is making 36. Here also 4 liters are removing, so it is 36, it is 0. Again 4 liters of water is going to add, so like the mixture is, the pot mixture is equals to 40, like the same quantity, like it is 40 and it is 36 and here it is 4 replaced with the water, and this process was again repeated twice. So the like is removing the 4 liters of the mixture and adding the water. It is repeated again twice, so from here it is again repeated twice. So let us write the data here, like pot mixture which is made up with juice and the water. So here in this 4 liters are going to remove, so I am writing here like for the 40 is going to remove 4 liters. Observe carefully. So now for the 1 liter, so for 1 liter is going to remove like 4 by 40 liters, means nothing but 1 by 10 liters is going to remove for 1 liter of the mixture. So for the 1 liter is going to remove 1 by 10 liters. So for the 36 of the liters is going to remove like 36 by 10 liters, like multiply both sides by 36 into 36, like 36 liters is equals to 36 by 10 liters. So for the 36 liters is going to remove 3.6 liters. So here again remove 4 liters from the mixture, it is becoming 36. Here from the 36 is going to remove 3.6 liters. Again from the 4 liters is going to remove, like multiply both sides and the 4 equals to 4 by 10, like 4 by 10 is nothing but 0.4 liters. So from the 36 liters is going to remove 3.6 liters. Again from the 4 liters of the water is going to remove the 0.4. So combine these two things, like 3.6 and the 0.4, which is equals to 4 liters. So I think you have got the idea. So when we do this, we are going to get like 2.4 liters of the juice. Again is going to replace with 4 liters of the water. So here it is becoming the on the again one time. So he asked it is repeated for the 2 times. So for the second time, like he is going to remove 4 here. So if the 4 is removed here, then here from this is going to remove like 32.4 minus. So apply here also, like when we multiply 32.4 on the both sides, 32.4 is equals to 3.24 here, 3.24 plus 6 minus multiply on the both sides, like 7.6 equals to 0.76 liters is going to remove 0.76 liters. So again is going to replace with water here with 4. So if you do this, we are going to get like, now the question is asked like, we need to find how much juice was there in the pot after doing all this. So after doing all this, 29.16 liters. So it is an option. So here I have written the options wrongly. So this is the correct answer. Next question. The next question is like, a mixture of two food items has a salt to sugar ratio of 7:32. So observe carefully. This is the most important question, you can say. Like, a mixture is made up of with two food items. Let it be F1 and F2. So having the salt to ratio as 7:32. So after mixing of this food 1 and food 2, so in the food 1 it is of with salt and sugar, and the food 2 it is of with salt and sugar also. So after mixing this both, the mixture is of with 7:32, which is salt and the sugar. The ratio of the salt to sugar is 2:11 and the 5:21 in the two individual types of the food items. So you given directly like, in the food item 1, the sugar and the salt and the sugar ratio is like 2:1, and the food 2 it is of like 5:21. Now he is asking like, in what the proportion are the two food items are mixed. So what is the ratio of these two items to making this mixture? So in order to solve this type of questions, we need to convert either to salt or to the sugar. So now I am taking the salt. So observe this trick carefully, because this is the question repeated in the multiple times in the aptitude questions. So I have picked this question for you. So here I am writing food 1 here, food 2 here. I am writing the salt thing here. Like, the mixture salt is like, here I am taking average salt, here salts of the both one, here the differences, which is nothing but the ratio. So average salt I am going to take like 7 by, write this two thing, combine this two one, like 7 plus 32, which is nothing but 39. So 7 by 39 you need to write like this, like salt by total quantity or the sugar by total quantity you need to take. So similarly you need to take here for the food one, it is like salt is 2, the total quantity is 2 plus 11, which is nothing but 13, and the same F2 means food 2 is like 5 by 21 plus 5, which is 26. You need to write the differences like 2 by 13 minus 7 by 39. So the LCM of this is 39 only. So in order to make the LCM, here we need to multiply with 3, here also with 3. So here 3 2 ja 6, 6 minus 7, which is minus 1. So here we need to write the difference, so which is nothing but 1 by 39. Again the difference of this is, so here we have got like 1 by 78. So the ratio is like 9 2 ja 39 2 ja, which is 78. So here when we multiply with 2 here and 2 here, we are going to make these things like 1 by 78 is equal 1 by 78 here, and here 2 by 78. So the both the denominators are same, we are going to cancel out the both sides because it is a ratio now. So after doing this, we are going to get like 1:2 as the difference, as the ratio. So they are mixed in the ratios are 1:2. So this is the same answer you will get by taking the sugar also, like sugar by total quantity, sugar by total quantity, sugar by total quantity. So if you take sugar also, you will get the same answer. So the two food items are mixed in the ratio 1:2 ratio, which is in the option